My name is Denise Ayabare. I am the Executive Director and founder of BetterLife International Organization. This is a youth-led organization that was begun in 2021. It is based in Uganda and has operations in other 3 countries, Tanzania, Ghana, and South Sudan. What we do is that we empower the most vulnerable communities to ensure they have the ability to adapt to climate change impacts. And this includes children, women, refugees, and most especially students within high schools and primary schools. We have 4 projects undergoing under BetterLife International Organization, and we're very happy to have received HBCU Green Fund support within our various projects. The first one has been climate education and awareness, where we have impacted over 20,000 students across the 4 countries. What we do is that we use debates and public speech competitions to ensure that we have climate education and awareness adopted within these curriculums. How we do it is very simple. Debates, you can't speak without knowing what you're doing. And especially this, you have to research what you have to say. And this continuously creates that kind of knowing where the problem comes from, but also the solution. The sustainability plan here is very simple. We form green libraries where we enable these students to have the materials that they are supposed to use within the climate education and awareness. The second thing is that we form eco-clubs. For whichever school that we visit, we form eco-clubs which ensure that we have a sustainability or a long plan for any of the schools that we have visited. The second project is about empowering women in refugees communities to adapt to climate change. And this is through strengthening their capacity using smart and sustainable agriculture. We have so far visited 5 refugee camps in Uganda, in Vepi and Bidibidi and the rest of the camps to ensure that we teach these women sustainable agricultural mechanisms, hydroponic farming, small-scale farming. And the way we sustain this is that we usually form circles of refugee women, but also host communities to ensure that there is that sustainability, whether economically or agriculturally, they're able to have their output recorded. And with this, we have impacted over 280 women within host and refugee communities. The third project under BetterLife International Organization is that we continuously have things like agroecology. We run a farm which is called BetterLife Agrotourism Limited, where we carry out sustainable farming mechanisms, especially in dairy farming, but also empower communities around us to adapt to climate change. And the fourth thing that we do is about digital agriculture. What do? We have developed an application known as Soiler, which empowers farmers to know their soil, but also recommend the crops that they are supposed to grow. And with this, we are revolutionizing agriculture and how it looks. And we thank everyone for the support as we move to digital agriculture and reduce the costs on which farmers incur while carrying out farming. We are very happy to collaborate with anyone, but also thank HBCU Green Fund for continuously supporting us across the activities and the programs we do. What we do is to build hope. We elevate, empower, and educate vulnerable communities. Thank you.